this is Archduke. I'm back with another video for the Evo Battle Cats collab event. So, as you can see, I have a good amount of cat food right now. And what that means is that I can do their special one-time only discount where I can get 11 with one guaranteed uber rare. So let's see. Get excited. Yes! Oh my gosh! Yes! That's definitely one that I want. Oh yes. I'm so happy. Oh! And we got her. Alright, we got all sorts of characters. Oh, we got her too. Get all the Eva cats. That's awesome. Oh wow, 2 of those. And that's it, and I can also do the discount another time. Turbo cat. Not bad. Alright. So, storage, that was awesome. Wow, that's a whole lot of XP. Okay, so we got some... Oops, that was accidental. Well, I might want to take them to max level. We've also gotten some super rares. And a new uber super rare. So that's upgraded. Got stuff in storage. So now, okay, that's awesome. Alright, so let's collect some cat food. I should actually get like a decent amount of cat food. Don't get it when you get it to max level. Get it. So maybe I'll do a battle after this, try to show off Unit 00 because I've seen it used in a couple videos. Yeah, I'm looking aside stuff. Okay. So still got a good amount of XP left. Oh! Alright, we got a treasure radar. Got more energy. Not super useful, but that's still cool. Alright. So, I really want to equip Unit 00. Holy cow, that's an expensive one. Huh. I might swap it out for that. That's another event cat that I'd gotten. Wait, I didn't want to see something. So let's see, are there any special stages? Ah! Well, we've got this one. I'm just gonna play the easy one, because I don't know if I've got enough skill for the expert. I'm not sure. No, this is not one that I've shown off before. There's a pretty interesting enemy for this. Alright, so let's see if we can get Unit 00, because if we can, that'd be really awesome. Okay. So we're starting to make money, about halfway there. So, I've got two other event cats. There's one that's like just the giraffe cat, but it's got like a mask on it, and then there was another one that I'll show after this battle's done. Oh, well, we already have enough, and look at the size of that thing. It's massive. All right. So now it's time to destroy. There is a pretty dangerous enemy on this, but I don't think it stands a chance. Yep. Flies up high in the air. It's a battle of giants. Look at this damage. Alright. Boom. And it's already gone. That's amazing. And now we just need to work on taking down the base. Should be done in a matter of minutes. Well, more like a matter of seconds. Still, it's pretty awesome. This unit is definitely worth it, this new one. And it is gone, just like that. Melted like butter. Anyway, that's probably about all I'm going to do for today. Yeah, he's also got some special lines. Alright, so I'm just gonna show off the other unit that the other units, I guess, that I've gotten from this event. There's Giraffe Unit 02, was originally 01. And then there was a unit that came free once you've been on for enough days. Then I'll upgrade that one just for fun. It's this unit. Alright, and now I'm almost out of XP. A lot of area attack stuff, so that's really cool.